Best deals. Improve your home and update to latest items that will help you effectively do things without any hassle. All these products will enhance the house and make you feel awesome and amazing. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Head Kneading Massager. Made of food-grade silica gel, which is gentle on the skin. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Folding Stool. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Ceiling Strip Guard. The door stopper helps reduce noise from outside, providing a quieter indoor environment. It prevents drafts and aids in energy saving by minimizing heat or cool air loss. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Door Stopper. Clear door stopper wall protectors are made of transparent gel that will never crack or break, ensuring long-lasting protection for your walls. Can be effortlessly mounted on different door types. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Mattress Lifter. Made of high-quality ABS material, which is strong, wear-resistant and durable, so you can use bed lifter for a long time. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Curtain Teabags. Easy to operate, hold your curtain in seconds. When you don't use, just clip it on the drapery. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Sari Hanger. Made of premium stainless steel and can hold even heavy garments without losing their shape over time. Hang leggings, blazers, saris, scarves, jackets. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Roller Brush. Efficiently removes dust, lint, pet hair, and crumbs from sofas, carpets, bed sheets, car seats, and more. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Travel Soap Case. The leak-proof design keeps your soap dry and prevents spills, ensuring a mess-free experience whether you are traveling, camping, or hiking. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Magnetic Door Catcher. Comes with a magnetic force of 20 pounds, which ideal for keeping cabinet door closing tightly. It's easy to install. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Door Seal Strip. Made of high-quality silicone, not only has abrasion resistance, but also weatherproof, can resist temperature changes, effectively sealing the gaps. The silicone seal fits tightly against the edge of the door on one side and extends on the other side to block gaps, effectively insulating against drafts, dust and noise. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Clothes Hanger. Hangers are great for kids or teens' clothes. It is made of durable plastic material which is non-toxic and eco-friendly. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Clips. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Laptop Cleaning Brush. Featuring nylon bristles, flocking sponge, high-density brush, metal pen tip, and keycap puller. This versatile set of tools meets a range of cleaning needs. The soft nylon brush offers balanced softness and hardness for thorough dust removal. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Broom Holder. Wall-mounted design features 5 slots and 6 hooks. The anti-skid rollers and strong rubber grips in this mop and broom holder wall mount are tried and tested to securely hold heavy tools, wet mops, and other items. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Window Ceiling Strips. The weather stripping pile, made of environmental-friendly woven material, is super adhesive and durable and waterproof. Effective helper to keep your house warm in winter and cool in summer. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Curtain Rings. These metal curtain rings with clips feature a polished finish, ensuring smooth gliding across the rod without snagging. Perfect for hotels, restaurants, bars, cafes, meeting rooms, and bedrooms. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Roller Brush. Simply brush over the table surface or carpet and dirt will be collected in the container. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Shower Water Guard. Easily install the ceiling strip by yourself. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Sheet Tucking Tool. Effortlessly tuck in your bed sheet, as it do not require mattress lifting. It become easy for even a child to use it and gives you wrinkle-free luxurious bed making. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Cord Organizer. Clips meet your needs for multiple applications, such as desktop, side table, under the table, kitchen, car and more. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Seal strip. The door sweep have self-adhesive mounting. Just insert the brush into the slot, cut the door draft stopper according to the length of the door, then peel off the adhesive and stick it to the door. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Laundry drying rope. It is a smooth extendable and retractable clothesline that allows you to dry the laundry efficiently while saving valuable space when not in use. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Sheet holder straps. Consisted of elastic straps, metal clips and built-in plastic clenching system. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Hanging clips. Made with stainless steel material, sturdier and more durable than plastic laundry hooks. Would not bend, deform or break even if you hang heavy shoes or boots on it. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Portable disposable cover. Fine workmanship, waterproof and leak-proof. Bags are lightly scented with lavender. Diaper bags can also be used as portable disposable bags outdoor or rubbish bags in car. It's easy to tear. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Impression mat. Roll out your dough or icing ready for placing on your cakes. Place the mold on top, textured side down and roll over with a little sugar using a rolling pin for the pattern to be imprinted. Repeat for larger pieces or alternate between the two designs. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Foot massager. Delivers a soothing spa experience to improve blood circulation, relieve fatigue and soften your skin. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Washing machine lint filter. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Kitchen wallpaper. The product sticks to itself readily to the wall without the need for extra glue or adhesive, which makes installation easier. The user experience is made more convenient by this functionality. The wallpaper has a three-dimensional appearance thanks to the addition of textures or patterns. This adds depth and interest to the wall, improving its overall attractiveness. The wallpaper has a three-dimensional appearance thanks to the addition of textures or patterns. This adds depth and interest to the wall, improving its overall attractiveness. The wallpaper is made of PVC, a strong and adaptable plastic that is intended to endure a long time. PVC is well known for being easily cleaned and resistant to moisture, all of which add to the product's longevity. The wallpaper is waterproof and oil-proof, making it appropriate for areas like kitchens and bathrooms that are subject to dampness or possible spills. These characteristics support the product's simplicity of use and upkeep. Product link is given in the 30th link.